the music spoke to me. The music opened me, gave me hope in the people. Every time I met a peer, I felt an equal. Looking back on it, it was a movement, but it felt like a moment. I never felt like an owner, mostly felt like a loner, looking for a loner. Can you spot me for the next one? Yep, son, all brotherly, all so lovely, all so cuddly. How is music making so many people get down? Yo, I can still see it, as if it were the Cricketers' arms in 1996. Yeah, how quick do the head shift from left to right? That's an awful lot to judge. There's an awful lot of love that gets sold on. Hold up, you better hold on. I sound a little better as I get older. I'm bolder now cause I know the score. Mr. Manager, tonight we're taking the bar and the door. What's more, I crossed yours off the list, cause it didn't really fit with that mix I was making. So get this or sainted, ain't no in between. I see it all like Butchie, other cliques get tushy, but I keep pushing, not even worth the shushing. Sick of the bullshit. When I bring a full clip, it sprout flowers at the end of it. I rank degenerate, but I'll bet you're going to thank me at the end of it. We always dreamt of. We always dreamt of. Yo, Sandro, who you sampling? Who you listening to? Made before 1982? Oh wow, dude. If you don't know your past, then you don't know your future. Trust it. They said I'm done and dusted. Doubt it. Sure, I get clouded like the one with the silver lining. I'm still refining. The ever editor. I leave the breadcrumbs. Dead that talk. Gotta be quick to take the chalk from the teacher. Check this equation. An anthem for heads that still seek inspiration from the time when hip-hop was a new sensation. We always dreamt of. We always dreamt of. We always dreamt of. We always dreamt of. Video didn't kill the radio star, like the DJ didn't kill music made with guitars. And the licensing cops haven't shut all the clubs yet. Yo, check it, downloaded music didn't wreck it. The fans are more connected, they get it directly. Just make sure that you hear me at 320 KB. We put it to tape, see, ain't never no maybes. Sweat and dust and beers just to make this shit sound right. Lo-fi MP3, kill it with its kilobytes. You really gotta see it live. It used to be about magnetic direct drives and diamond tips. 5 cents on the cartridge so we don't skip. We always dreamt of.